outside, and I wanted to take some time to introduce Naturecan to you guys, which is a health and wellness brand that offers supplements for your general health, beauty, and fitness well-being. So it has been a long time since I accepted any PR packages, but when Naturecan reached out to me, I felt that their products will benefit me, and so I decided to give them a try. So for context, I am 31 this year, and I must say that age really makes a difference. I noticed that I'm recovering slower from my workouts, my PMS symptoms are way worse than before, I'm having a lot more stomach issues than before, and I'm always fatigued. So based on these, Naturecan sent me some products that they think will help me, and so I'm gonna introduce them to you guys right now. So out of all the products they sent me, I must say that my favorite one is this ZMA supplement capsule, which is also one of their best sellers. So this one contains zinc that helps maintain testosterone levels, which is really beneficial if you have bad menstrual cramps or PMS. So zinc requires vitamin B6 to absorb into your body, and so this also contains vitamin B6, and vitamin B6 also supports the immune system and your metabolism. Lastly, it contains magnesium, which is one of my favorite supplements to take because it reduces fatigue and it also helps with muscle recovery. Another one that I take regularly and that I found worked for me is the Digest capsules. So ever since I moved out, I realized that I've been getting super bloated after almost every meal, I guess because my diet is just crap. And not only that, I also get a lot of other stomach issues, and it's just very uncomfortable, which is why I brought it up to Naturecan, and they suggest that I take these, and I find that it really helps reduce the bloating. So I also chose the mixed mushroom blend, which contains 7 different types of mushrooms with various health benefits for the body. I chose this because I felt that it will be able to support my general well-being and health. And then they also sent me the curcumin with vitamin D3, which helps combat fatigue, support your immune system, and everyday muscle function. Last but not least, they also sent me the essential amino acid. So this has lemon iced tea flavor, which tastes very refreshing, yet low in sugar and fat-free. If you're looking to build more muscles and lose fat in your fitness journey, I feel like this will be a good supplement to add into your diet. So because I work out often, I feel like these products really support my lifestyle, but they also have a lot of other products available on their website. So if you're keen to check them out, I have a 25% discount code for you, and all the links of the products that I've just shared and to their website will be in the description box below. It's very hot right now, so I'm gonna make myself the essential amino acids. So usually I only drink 1 scoop because I don't drink a lot of water. I'm using the Naturecan shaker bottle, so just 1 scoop. I don't measure, but about this much.
Let's live in a main, just step by step. Sorry that I'm kicked off, but I want your step. I'm wondering now, where is your wings? Tremble lips and blurry eyes and your pink cheeks. Let's live in a minute, just step by step. Sorry that I'm quick, got foot, I walk your step. I'm wondering now, where is your wings? Tremble lips and blurry eyes and your pink cheeks. And we should make the plan, an actual date and time for you. You never say for sure. I wanna know how you think and feel. La 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 la. That I wanna say is big word, my big words. That is what I'm wanting. 내게 보이는 halo. Baby, how can we do? All my friends are talking, but I don't give a shit. 내게 보이는 halo. Baby, how can we do? Let's live in a meme, just step by step. Sorry that I'm quick, got foot, I walk your step. I'm wondering now, where is your wings? Tremble lips and blurry eyes and your pink cheeks. And we should make the plan, an actual date and time for you. You never say for sure. I wanna know how you think and feel. La 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 la. That I wanna say is big word, my big words. That is what I'm wanting. 내게 보이는 halo. Maybe how can we do? All my friends are talking, but I don't give a shit. 내게 보이는 halo. Maybe how can we do? Say that you'll think what I need. I love you since I kissed your cheeks. Say that you'll think what I need. I love you since I kissed your cheeks. Let's live in a meme, just step by step. Sorry that I'm quick, got foot, I walk your step. I'm wondering now, where is your wings? Tremble lips and blurry eyes and your pink cheeks. Let's live in a minute, just step by step. Sorry that I'm quick, got foot, I walk your step. I'm wondering now, where is your wings? Tremble lips and blurry eyes and your pink cheeks. And we should make